Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on Bitcoin, I actually think it's very clear the pattern we're seeing on the higher time frames, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of A. I think it's very clear this move up right here is probably an ABC of B, which I do think is going to go up to one of these two Fibonacci levels before it goes down and makes a wave C. I think this wave B will probably go up to the 42 or the $48,000 area, and depending on which area it goes on or it turns down on, is going to help tell me what area that it's most likely to go down for the wave C. But I think it will take out this low and probably end up someplace between the $12 and $8,000 area to finish off this wave C. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. 1, 2, 3 waves down for the B. I think we're in a wave C right now, which is most likely going to go to the 42 area, but it could possibly go to the 48 also. I think this is all going to be an ABC of B. And then I think eventually it's going to break structure to the downside at one of these two Fibonacci levels and start a brand new downtrend for the wave C, just like what I was explaining on the monthly time frame. So let's take it right down to that daily time frame. Daily time frame, we're breaking out of the 38% or we're breaking above it, which is a really good sign that we are going to continue the uptrend. A lot of the times it does come back down and retest a Fibonacci level like this right here after you get a break before it does end up continuing the uptrend. So let's take it right down to that 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I think it's actually very clear this is 1, 2, 3 waves down. I think this is just going down to make an ABC correction. I bet it's just going to go down to like the 61 or the 78% and then end up continuing the uptrend. So I am definitely looking for longs, especially based on the higher time frames. If I see ABC down to a fib level with a nice big impulsive engulfing move to the upside, that is exactly what I would be looking for my next entry to go long. So let's take it right down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I think this right here is a downtrend, probably a wave A. This looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up, most likely a wave B. I think this is also a downtrend forming here, which is probably going to go back down minimum to one of these fib levels. I think the 61.8 is probably the most likely, especially because we already tested it once for a wave C. So if we see a downtrend and then we see an impulsive move up at a Fibonacci level with a break of structure to the upside, then that would be exactly what I want to see for my next entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.